bloody knackered. I've been laying it. Well, I got out of bed, put my jumper on. It's bloody cold. It hasn't stopped raining. Well, I woke up just before 3 o'clock. It's easing off now. Thought I'll film it. Now it's starting to ease off. I was a bit worried about the leaks, but there ain't no leaks. It's just me. Where's it all coming from? It's 12 minutes past 4 in the morning. Friday morning. Yeah, I've got my little torch here. I put the kettle on. That's where the leak was. Up there. Where is it? I've got my torch. But there's nothing coming through now. Oh, I can't speak properly. I ain't had a cup of tea yet. I just put the kettle on. That's easing off now. My God. Bloody hell. I've been laying here since about 2:45, I think. Just got out of bed quick and got the camera, put a jumper on. Oh, it's easing off now. Oh, come on, rain again. You never heard anything like it. That only takes 10 minutes to seal it. So I'm going to do that again today. Because this rain is extraordinary. Where's it all coming from? Oh, it's stopping now. Yeah, a car coming by. Oh, I need a cup of tea. I'm going to have to get out of bed again. It's chilly. I ain't got the fire on yet. Oh dear. Yawny, yawny, yawny. Went to bed about 12. Got all my insurance sorted out yesterday for my other van. Wasn't cheap. Christ almighty. There's a few £100 more than what this one is. Japanese import. I don't see why. Something that's so easy to drive. Automatic. And this old bone shaker's quite cheap. Hey, this weather ain't good for Epsom, is it? Nah, it won't be raining there, will it? It's Derby tomorrow. The Derby. I don't know what the ground's going to be like. Oh, sorry, I can't show you all this. I need to go back to sleep. There's people about. There's cars going by. There was an accident here yesterday. Well, say here, about 50 yards up the road. By that Mount Hotel. car was pulling out. Trouble is they speed down here, you see. Cool enough, make a mess of it. It's hit at the side. In the side, the driver got out, you should have heard him swearing. And I don't blame him. So I didn't see the accident. I've got my torch on the ceiling now. Nah, we're fine. See, it's when I put the sunroofs in, I mean, I had to cut the hole, cut it with the jigsaw. Don't say no. Oh, got a spider up there. Yeah, I'll show you. Just up there. Can you see him? He can stay. We don't care. And of course, when I put the solar panels in, it was so bent, someone had been up on the roof jumping about, I reckon. That's why the water formed. And I couldn't straighten it out either. So I got planks of wood going across the van and screwing them tight to the wood so it straighten out as much as it could. Excuse me. And then on top of the wood, that's when I put the solar panels on. But really, I didn't seal it properly in the beginning. And that's what it's all about, isn't it? Just that one little hole. Oh, I'll make it up now. Got a tune in my head and I can't get it out of it. Don't say no, it's the end of the world. Yeah, I bet not sing, I'll be getting copyrighted. So what are you doing at this time in the morning? We're fine. Wish I brought my guitar with me. Or should I say one of them. I could have been practicing, couldn't I? Because I'm not that brilliant. Don't say no, it's the end of the world. Right, I'm going to get up now. I don't want to. I'm never going to sleep with this noise. I was leaving here today. There's no way I'm driving in this weather. Oh, it's heating up there. I'm going to leave Sunday morning now. I had a chat with Andy last night. He said he'd do it. He'd meet me on Sunday in the lay-by. It's only about 50 minutes away. I'm getting up now. Here we go. Oops. Oops. Oh dear. Dee, 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 dee. Dee, 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 dee. Oh dear. Oh no. Don't wake you up, fella. Oh, I've woken Ollie up now. Sorry, y'all. Got the cat on. Don't say no. Yeah, let's turn that light. Can we see any rain? Let's have a look. So exciting, you know. It's easing off now. But that's heavy. Should have seen it earlier. Dee, dee, dee. That chap pulled up last night about 8 o'clock. It's got a couple of little dogs. It's very cold. Yeah, this is real life. As it happens. You're probably thinking, what a silly old git. Oh. Right, I'll see you in a little while. See you in a bit. Oh yeah, I'm back again. It's nearly 5 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, got the fire on. It's warming up lovely in here now. Still can't get the tune out of my head. There's Ollie, I've got to take him out. Should we go out for a quick walk while it's not raining so much? Yeah. Oh, yeah, just take him out for a quick one. He won't want to go far. Because it's still raining hard, but not as hard as it was. Oh, that's better. So, I'll see you when I see you. Oh, I'm bloody shattered, but it's easing off a bit, so. Well, this is it. I'm going to make a move now. I'm going to take the dog out. Everyone have a good day. And if you can't be good, be bad.